Well, here it is. Here's my Brother Activator 889 portable typewriter. And everything came with it. You saw it in the other video, it came with it, so you don't need that to come off. It's like this stuff, and it's manual, and in the case all that other stuff. And the plastic wrapper and its original carton box for this machine. Well, here it is. You can see that some of the keys have been used a bit because they are turning a bit yellow. If I turn the light off, maybe you can see it. Actually, it's okay, you can see it a little bit. It says here on the cover you have refund or replacement guarantee. Focus. To consumer by Parents Magazine. If product or performance is defective or reported within 30 days of purchase. So yeah, I've seen that more with Brothers. Anyway, it has a repeat spacer. You unfold this. Like I said, it has a carriage lock. So like this. And now if you press this button, the carriage moves freely. Ooh. Like I said, repeat spacer, so I press this button. Pretty sweet. It has a wooden panel on the front. It says automatic repeat spacer. Brother Activator 889. Here's the repeat space button. Like I said, this is what that said. It has a color selector. It has a touch control. It has a tabulator. No tab settings, unfortunately. It stops by every 5 spaces. There's a button on the back here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe not. Anyway, you press that and you get the paper support. It has freely, and then one and a half, and 2 spaces. I always use one for some reason. Knobs are in great shape, intact. Might be some little bit of dust because I haven't used the machine in quite a while. It has, as you can see, some protection under the keys, probably for oil or anything like that. I haven't oiled this machine yet, that's why you don't see stains in the basket. Sometimes when you oil it and you start typing with it, the old ink comes out, which is good, but you have to wipe it off later. What I find magnificent about this machine is that there is nothing, not even a little scratch, dents, marks, anything like that. The bottom is in such nice shape, as you can see, in great shape. The feet are in great shape. There are no scratches, no dents, absolutely nothing. This thing is in magnificent condition. Here's the back also, no dents, no scratches, not even on the spot where it attaches to the case. Nothing. Just this thing is in pristine condition and could go right back to the shop for first sale because that's what it's worth. This thing is just wow. You know, it's crazy. It's such a good condition. It has the margin sets here, foldable lever. Yes, it says on the back here, Brother made in Nagoya, Japan, and then the serial again. So yes, in great condition. I'm really happy I purchased this because this is a great add to my collection. If I just put you down for 1 second, I can take the cover off. It has those rubbers, you know, that's kind of difficult to take off. So here we go. Here's the cover. Here's the inside of the machine. Let me just show you. It only came with, it came with a black and red ribbon. In case this one dries out, I have like 3 or 4 new ribbons. So, basket really clean. Keys are a bit painted by the ink, but that's because I use this machine. Roller, oh, magnificent condition. Just great. No scratches on the inside either. And of course here, you know, Well, that's because of it. That was already when you buy it, you know, on the inside, but like over here on the paint, just in mint condition. Yeah. You have here the margin release. So, yeah, this thing is just great. There's nothing wrong with it. It's brand new. It is in great shape. I would say it's never been used, and I think it has not been used a lot. So, here's my response to the lady that had the two blue brothers. Here's my brown one, and I hope you enjoyed the videos. So thank you for watching, and please leave a comment, and yes, thank you. Bye bye.